Number 18, evaluate f of -1. So a lot of my students struggle with piecewise functions, but I have a really good way to explain it to you, and hopefully this will make sense. You're going to think of these values over here as a gate with lots of different locks. Okay, this is a lock, this is a lock, and this is a lock. You have the key up here, and the key is -1. So where can you plug in your key into the lock and have it open? We need to find out which one of these has -1 in it. Now, the first one you can tell has -1. So that's the key that will work. And then we are allowed to go in. Once we're in, we look over here, and that is our answer. So our answer to this question is going to be 8.